Hello everyone, I'm Vadini. I'm from CSE department from RPIIT College Karnal. Today we are going to learn about bubble sort. So in this particular we are using dev C++ and this is a C program which implements bubble sort algorithm to sort an array in an descending order. Let's start with the initial stage. It includes from the starting, it includes hash include stdio or .h, which includes a standard input output library for using printf and scanf functions. Then this is a function to perform bubble sort. This function sorts the array using the bubble sort algorithm, and the logic of bubble sort is to compare each pair of adjacent nearby elements, and if the current element is greater than the next one, you just swap them. And we have to repeat the process until the entire array is being sorted. What variables we are using here? I, which controls like how many passes is being completed. Then J is to compare the elements, and temp is to used to swap the elements. How it's working? This loop, one is inner loop and one is outer loop. Outer loop runs n-1. This is the outer loop, n-1 times, and the inner loop, what it will do? It shrinks like each pass since the largest element bubble is to end. Then we'll come to the main function. Here we are reading the elements, like input the elements, number of elements, then input the array elements. This is reading the array elements. Then we are calling the function over here, which we made earlier. Then this is the print sorted array. Let's run this program. Let's say we'll put only 4 elements. So this is the sorted array. If you like our video, do like and subscribe. And before that, just one more thing I'd like to add. What is the summary of this bubble sort? Is simple and easy to understand sorting algorithm and not efficient for large data steps. Stable sort, which does not change the order of the equal elements. You can enhance it by adding a flag to detect if the array is already sorted or not. So this is it for the video. If you like our video, please do like and subscribe our channel too. Thank you so much.